mattresses, cases, everything we shall get from here, but there is nothing.
They are going to pay for me school fees, that the contract is for 10 years.
Bakubira dadi wange simu musumba omu vempage namugamba bagaba bursaries for 10 years. Kati nengende empigi okusaininga form, bwe namala okusaininga form ne bandeta ku office ziri mperere. Ne bangamba nsasule emitwalo 10 nengisasula then n'emitwalo ena school fees kwe kuli ne uniform.
They told us we pay 80,000 for uniform, plus our transport, plus our requirements like shops, sugar, squeezers and rim.
Police batise mu motoka ya Kamunye ne batwalibwa ku police e Kasangati nga bwe balindirira bazadde baabwe okubanona. Omwogezi wa police mu Kampala n'emirirwano Rachel Kawala agambye nti police etandise okunoonyereza era omukwate bamuguddeko omusango gw'okukusa abaana.
Tumwina mu kaduukulu okutuyambako mu kunoonyereza nga ajja kuba asimbibwa mu mbuga z'amateeka ku misango egiteeberezebwa okubanga abaana bano yabadde abakukusa.
Alabudde abazadde okwegendereza abantu be beesigisa abaana baabwe nga babategeezeza nti bagenda kubaweerera kuba abamu baba beeyiya.
Oyinza okubanga toyina busobozi bumala naye omuntu gw'okwasizza omwana wo osoose kumwekenneenya.
Waswa Beka ne Anes Chaze bakusakidde eggulire lino.
Embeera ni ejo, that kind of vulnerability really yene tabunkenke kandi garike tahona n'abaana bitu umuntu naija kworeka ngo ari mu mahanda gwishikire nango ne papura bukworeka ibiri kumwicereza kugira ngo na agent wa company nankana bakora batuna bati babine na za WhatsApp group bine za website oshanga ngo nabakworeka ngo mwana babasa kumureberera ndwe actually bari abafere bari mu kweyiya umuntu nargaha barundana yaho nkakacweka katambika samwe yabapangisiza henju abarisa chamushana yonka ninka caciro yonka ahasigare center zegaruza agenda za gukora ibyo ari kwenda gukora nabwo cyabazire tuye ufera kuzaho tukareba burebo kaya yabakunyambo mwana bamutware ico cyaho akani wazira bwenco bonabona iso mwana tamakire kawe ogumeno following up ojrabo wabuza basa kumbanjura nkabacia person ojo tkonkare hete na neti obunda muhergwizo bokatunga bakwabura bucerikara bo kwito baferente bamanya how they are acting tactics barukoresa oza kushanga ngo ko kucurra wenka wachkora wenka chendera hajirimwe bintu nkebi mwaba muteje ndeserize mwija kushanga ngo ibintu byarengaho
bonaku mutasoma bwangambanye nkano butekaguza burukwikia abazaire bihanga ahankoreye kuba de sanet nikiri kikaguze kiturukwekaguza abana barukungana 30 abe kike muno tujya kubara abazaire 30 buri muzairo bamuhira umwana umwom yibara wali bura iriye kitongore ohuri nuburu kuribana nugamba bishop hati oyeija le kanjune enda kweno itahana yo mzeru ilo bwana butano mukaga na wahayo kama agamba kenda
barambara biro mudini
baitu bakuoleka na tamu na mbere yatandikira abana abo tubakajaga mu class mu muryango kutamu class bakagororaga so niye nakwegyo akandi obuzibu bwa buli mzeru asoba kuba na gwamo mukaire nkako uriyeija esere ko mwebarariye dini kunna serebye nku muntu kandi amalire kyara kinagira umbuzibu hakuburwa bano usanga abana bojo nabayisika bali mu myaka nkegyo bayito cyo kubanza mbarara hamwe abajana hamwe abatona bakuru ho kubyama honga tibayineho warora busamu kafariso busaho abana bakwera bujurize mbagamba farisi buri kimuno diona jakoraki kukisanga yukuri busamu kafariso ko kubyamera
ndakwangu hizembera ngo takabura kutaya kasenta
no kubada utinge kimurayi abana tibayina kubyama ubuhereza busemeye kwamba hebwa abana ka wisika abanyakuru mu myaka nkege bagaya mu abana bagya musini ya katano bana bakuze mbetaga privacy no kuramba kurwa ensonga zabiza bakyara nebintu ebindi okwanura imbere abana kwambara bwamu habwa okuraba mu kigambo ngo yito buri kimukiro kyoire yinyo kikuru mutereza abana so okindi buko no hura ngo esente zonke zabarukubayihaho ngo fizi ngo mitwarena izi emitwaro yena isomero no kuba
yaza kwatara bo mushiko uza compassion zihebyo kandi zibukora akashanga ngo mwe to kutayo no kutayo
no
mwana bamugorore bafu bamugorore mfarso bamugorore tara bamugorore kashanga bamukoraho completely
urubajo rubabazaho harimo abakubukora genuinely
exactly nturanye ingambira kugira ngo umuntu nabasa kumugambira reba tadouting abo kwa nakasenta kuwashaba nakona kachi so umuntu nabasa
kumugambira
yes
okay so niyembere ryo mazima akandi abazere tsobere kwantu hamwe isomo akandi tsobore kwantu egombe koro kwambisana biti abo kube bikro wing abantu mbabe kondeze byabo nkabo
konka ahamherwa izoba kanoshangu government kataha amashomero ga government umwana gwenje takwa nho wamta abwenje nogenana naba bacipara bariyomba kuciporo kashanga no mwana huyaza ubundi yahendera twarire benenda twantara barukurara amabojo nabishiki tukashanga ngo umwana wamuteko mukati yabaga karukwingana katyo twina amashomero ga government ngashashura kasente kace kandi nawagambana nabishomero no barinda munakweshengereza reka kuhoreza umwana umikono y'abanta botari kumanya kandi karemwa no following up kareba neje ningateje hata kutahirwa bacaro dene shonga bakazitahamu twataguza kucimanya paka tamwe hwire bakatugaruza abana baceza kubagarura atabana bakano batanga kutebeze vireyo bitu wahirwa bundi bakabagarura batakuterire simu ngo mwana atakuza kuhumura twongere nije mitwarena na ndijo munana amerwizo ati mitwari 12 waziha abantu 50 change manyisa ngitisamo income ngani kirenga kugira ngo mu Uganda ahishira hanteka teke yo kugira ngo arya harurengo ro kugira ngo he doesn't care obo muntafa for it is not his problem so long as he emitware ebiri cyo kuremba basa kupanyiso munta mitwari 10 kugenda kwito munta magara gumuntu emitwari 10 yaza kurenga turi kugurana ngo ne soforia yo mukango wateke mu byo kuryorenga ngo byahira so ninzira ngo rurengo rwabaringwa tubasegaruka harahanga witu tumushabe abo kwanu yatutireho namanya path sense twine kwanu turabamo kutari kugenda ntwerondere bitu amerwiza batkabasa okushesheshagama umuringo gumwe ninga ogondi edakika 22 ezaringo mshayiti yo kubanza tindu kumanyo bagidiyo nesenyomo elizoba wakorera nkahi otwinire mu mukozi ki yamureta twakwakira sebo kandi ntura twine kika cyo kurebe kurwo mu kanwa ko mushijogo omukashonshire cyaka akumurimo gwanje
Wamnonga sia Charles ni umuri wa TV West amazina nsenyumo Gideon Charles watanka no kubura njiri mu ruhanga ukimunchi basikanta kusibiza nyino mwa Joram turiyo mu bus park aho mu taxi park aho murembo rambara mu Joram mu mugwe na borenjiri kana agarukamu apakira abashabaze n'uwo mujye twatungera izuba nyenda tumwakira nje tuganira mu rumogo agumazira mbwireki bitabwa cyo kuborenjiri no kapakira harumuka kodyo ki bit byayika bihemba ko umuntu hano tungo mutakuborenjiri obwiro bwinshi bakutunga mishara nibabyete ibihembo bya mu live TV West and program cyo murebi tuganira mu rumogo wawe na mnonga oherezo ko ari naturebo muhimbo ubuzima nkibasikano basa kuborenjiri kandi ugaruko kora gundi murumo
we bari munonga nimbanza no kubaramusya abantu bona bampurikize amazina ganje ni Nyakaruhanga Joram kandi ni imbere muri Mbarara kandi umwe nazarirwe kandi ekanisa yanje yifshabira mu rya hansa aha Baspaka bageta Frames Church Ministries erkwebemberwa Bishop Davis Arjuna nowe mukuru wayo ntabwo ecyo nyowe nkashururwa murumo bwo kuburira njirogu umurumo gunahirwe Ruhanga ogutakwebwa muntu nkashururwa murumo bwo kuburira njiri abandi yo mu taxi park omu kaba driver ndikuvuga motoka konkana bwanyimaho niza nahumuraho naguma umurumo bwo no bunabendo driver ndikuvuga motoka ndikugenda hare ngabanje ndikuburira njiri yanje nkankiza natungaho ninjira nko kucikorwa Ruhanga natungaho kumuraho nagumiza muno kuburira njiri kandi naba yo mu taxi park omu nimba nimburira njiri kandi nanaburira njiri nka umubwiro mu kubantara kuburira njiri mpakira mu motoka abo kuba nimba nikwatanisa n'aba driver batayi banje mpakira motoka zabo bagenda yose garaha ngo umurumo gwanje gukuburira njiri nice basika umuntu kubana uburira njiri kandi ukakora no gundo murumo kabasa kubonamwo uko akabasa kubano yebisaho kandi ukuburira njiri namwe no tunga mwe bihembo ko waba no burira njiri umuntu nabasa kwereza okuyakunda nabwe no cyakira obasa kutungamu ebihembo kandi
tugamba
nikibasika
okorwa akasheshe mpaka omwazi izuba ryawe tandika ota oruhendero
nyowe ankoreka okubuurira enjiri kukyera kare nkatandika kubuurira enjiri akuba nyekiro abantu nibo batari okugira ngu babuurire enjiri kureka omu bwire bw'ekiro nimba ndi nk'abandi koko bakuba bari omu maka konka bwatandika nibushesha ninkira kukyera kare ntandika omurimo gwange gw'okushaba n'okubuurira enjiri shaaha nka 12 nimba nimukire nahabwekyo ninyimuka ndikwizaho omu taxi park obwire obwingi ahabw'okugira ngu niho ndikutandikira nko orikukimanya omuntu nooba oine aho orikutandikira noine aho okutandikira niho okuhenderera nahabwekyo kutandika n'akasheshe nimba ndi omu mwanya ogu kandi obundi obwire nimbaasa kutambura nze n'ahandi ndige nangwa n'omururembo rwa Mbarara nze n'ahandi konka omu kasheshe nimba nintandikira
tugamba
omurimo gw'okupakira
waiza kubuura enjiri hata twaza omu kupakira then oije okikorota otasya otakwaho naba twatasya
omu kupakira tupakira emotoka taxi tuteekamu abashabazi yaheza kwizura egyenda egyo nesigaho esente ezo niziba ziri ez'okutureberera nebaasa kusigaho omutwaro gumwe n'ekicweka ninga ebiri
buri kupakira gumwe n'ekicweka emitwaro ebiri
ahabw'okugira ngu nihaba hariho abantu abarikwetenga obureberezi nahatari omwe batari babiri baba bariho bingi
obureberezi noba nomanyisa ki
kugira ngu akasente kakureberera omuntu omu byetengo bye ate oshanga akasente warikusigaho wapakira kakureberera aba basigaraho bakabaganabagana batunga okubaasa kubaho
izuba ryaza kurenga obupakire nka motoka nkazingahe namunonga tuhereze ekishushani ogwe aryokwe nabuurira enjiri konka ateekateeka ngu omu kubuurira enjiri niho ndatunga ebihembo byo katakubaasa kukora murimo gundi hanga hari
nikibaasika omuntu kugumaho yaba ry'okupakira akabaasa kupakira emotoka zikuhika 10 konka ati nyowe aha bwangye ahabw'okugira ngu nimba nyine omurimo gw'okuza kubuurira enjiri nagumaho ningumaho obwire bukye kuruga nk'akasheshe kuhika shaaha 6-7 napakiraho emotoka nka 3 abokuba tinkukireba nk'omurimo gw'unsemerere kuba ningumaho kukora kureka kuba kuri okuyambayamba naho nanye ngira eki natungaho nanye mbaase kugyenda nyine ekikubaasa kunyambaho akuba nkutunga akasente nkaba nkanyambaho omu kubuurira omurimo gw'okubuurira enjiri tinkuza kutegereza kugira ngu obundi agire obu naaza kushabiriza ebintu ebyo nkizire kubireeba abantu bingi nibanga kukora oshanga nashabiriza n'obundi oshanga omuntu arugayo omurimo gwa mutaahi we kandi akirigaho wowe oshanga naaza kushabiriza kandi oshanga obundi yateganisa abantu n'abantu abo obundi oshanga yaza kwehora esente zondiijo kandi oshanga atiine hakubaasa kuzimugarura oshanga kandi yahinduka omunyagi omu muringo nk'ogwo nangwe nimpiga abantu namunonga ogw'omurimo gundikora ogw'okubuurira enjiri abantu omuntu nobaasa kuyiyaho eki watandika kukoraho kugira ngu obaase kutungamu obuyambi obuhwezi nibuba nibuyamba omuntu kandi nibukuyamba kandi buyamba n'abandi ahabw'okuba okutakora nobaasa kushanga orikuteganisa abantu omu ntwaza yawe akuba omuntu nanayetenga okurya n'okunywa nahabwekyo n'ebindi ebikuba nibikurataho nobaasa kushanga obundi otaba murungi omu bantu abo otarikukora konka omuntu oshemereire kujya kuwakoraho kagira abantu oku bakureeba ngu niwe oine oku orikubaasa kugira ki kwebisaho
obu tukenda wakuteereza eshaara tugaruke tusibire omureebi namunonga abari omu studio tugaruke omu studio
abamporikiize mukama natukunda kandi ampwerire omurimo gw'okubuurira enjiri n'omu kushaba nahabwekyo mukama Ruhanga witu asiimwe kandi aheebwe ekitiinisa mukama Ruhanga witu nitukusiima akasheshe aka nitukugarura ekitiinisa namunonga omu bwire obu twabaasa kubugabugana tukagira eki twagambaho ekigambo eki twagamba omu mwanya ogu nikibaasa kuhika ingi omu myanya ya hare ahakuba ogu n'omukutu ogurikutwara ebyo ebiturikugamba hare kandi n'omu bantu bingi nahabwekyo mukama Ruhanga witu nitukusiima nitukugarura ekitiinisa ahabw'eki eki watukorera ahakuba ninkiriza ngu niwe tukorera byona Ruhanga witu ou turikwikiriza kandi ou turikwesiga otushemereire kuguma nitukunda kandi niwe wandize kutukunda mwena akasheshe aka ahabwa rukundo yawe reba turi aha kandi nitukusiima tukugarura ekitiinisa omuri byona Ruhanga witu osiimwe kandi oramibwe ohimbisibwe ebiro byona amen
Sejimo Gideon go mazina namunonga omuri wa TV West omugenyi w'eriizooba yabaho omutaano munonga abageni twentureta ako abantu bingi nk'aba tuzize nitubareeba asitudiyo zitari zimwe na zimwe omu ndembo omu byaro bakubuurira ekigambo bitu twebuuza okutaasya kwabo kubakuha ezo banayigangu yaheza kuvura enjiri ibintu babite bihembo natunga ikihembo charity ni wamhereza yo mutwara kintu kiba kiri ikihembo izuba ryaza kurenga akarundana ibihembe byo nibije bimuhwera ukora ikintu kandi wowe cyo mutacha gukora agarika mapakira ikintu kintu cyongera kisima mukamuka ogo n'umurimo gwawe wari yo kweni wari kuvura enjiri hari ikindi kintu cyo gukora abakiriza abashaye mu ndakika 30 katugaruka mu studio tuzo mu paparaza mahoro tonje kutayisa abandi bagina nasiganse mu Gideon aho mu Rembo Rwambara.
Yeah, well done Senyumo. Well done. Webare kuturetera umburuzi wenjiri kandi ko kuwakigamba cyatanaho ukaba kuhereza rahanga butunu obwiro bwinji tabakushira kukanya bitu twacakira kandi teka tangu cyayongesereza twatandukana naco izaba ryayongera kubagumite. Hello.
Ya. No henyini akandi na muno tungano kuterera okorora ngo naiwe ruriyo kunorora ensonge zirikonsana ziti omanye ngo buri kimwe kisoboka akande nayinyenke no sobora kutandika rundi kiro kinu utandike kanye cyo sobora kuba no yebayisaho iwe nkayiwe kike cyo gukora kurangi kubayisaho kikuru muno akande ibindi byona bijya kuyija bitandikiraho aboraba umazire kuba no utandika hatari kwikaro kalirenga dakika zirima 13 akande zakarabasa yite kubanza program sisibuka negera maiso TV West Nehinda tuine banyarwaita ba Swift Initiatives Limited abarukukiya umule ku Rugoma omukizaniro kacheka ebero 26
nchakari
is it tomorrow
yeah
umuleko akacheka aguriye n'ubweno maiso ebintu nyonka amanyire byanguhire nkarabarabayo weekend abantu almost the whole week bagimazire bari kacheka umuntu rugaguza nikimanse ibintu bigumire akandi kujya kuraba kireke kyenyini kukuhereze cyo kinyakuhikire habo kwa buri kimwe cyona kiri set Swift Initiatives Limited egwasirem okutahamu 12 omuntu mukuru kandi uwo mwana siringi 10 bakuretira buri kimwe kyona abasubuzi okurugumyanya yone ihanga abarikacheka nawe kwetegeke kire kanyinkya umuriko kusobora kwandi gutandika kandi no twine mbateka mu Symbium program simuka wabare kwa no turore ikiriza tumleho kandi utagomba humuro tongere kuba netugaruka na impapuro z'amakuru amne bindi otarwa TV West Nehinda 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 Nehinda
Uganda mwetebekanisize ubu ni bwo bwire bwo kucamukana sente omukazana kare kubaza kwindura amagara gawe ubwo rikoresa shiringi 20 zonka.
Alright ladies and gentlemen, ni mugamba chikani mbatangira program chamukana sente Razak Banks the truck driver mvugiwe pango ni mbanaragaramu every single Sunday wari bazaba shaisha tunechweka otima yangu akasente ndikabaka aragaramu. I'm telling you, let us call that number tumurebe omuhanguzi witu werizoba owemitwaro 50. You could also be a lucky winner. Just go into your phone. Katerebo omuhanguzi witu werizoba. Hello. Yes, hello. Asibo tasebo. Amazina ganje ne banyete Razak Banks MC the truck driver kuluga aha TV West.
Joni kureba live.
Oriono ndeba live.
Yego.
Nibakwetoha.
John Bosco Nyakizi Kakoba.
John Bosco Kuruganyakizi Kakoba.
Yes sir.
John Bosco Kuruganyakizi Kakoba okazana chamukana sente.
Mazima nazanirizo mkachete.
Ninyenda kumanyisa ngo niwe muhanguzi witu owe mitwaro 50 shaheji. Masaji wajirebire.
Pare.
Yaragaramu.
Wandi?
Amasomero katakura feeling.
Ngweno tarindaho terasta bibira 38 star ishatu star 10 hash oyegito mukazano bugahati akarone kagambwaho buri hamwe.
Sunday Ishaime yo mwabazyo nitukuretera Visionary Singers Band. nebyeshongwe kugaliza mu mbabazi hamwe okuhimbisa okuramya nangwa n'okushemererwa
Sunday
izoba ryo kigambira hakikirira
kikamutwarira aho ubwire numanya ati bari kucira kurabuka ku nanka n'ubwo uri kumureba amisho bakagira ati reka nshiteka teke ntikari
cyamara nko bwire buri kwingana
nyeze eshatu
nyeze eshatu yona shi oba yoteka teka cyo mutu
akatariho n'amasimu no yetwara you see abamwe abashije bari selfish arareba asime agambe ayende ngo yagambira ayikiririzeho that is selfishness
bagira ngo mpiro gwo mukatu kunyuma
ni gubonera mukaze nawe yaba naguhagira
atwe nahagira ati
bastera owanje nahagira buri time yagira mani
etine mani nafukure
utaine timu koka ni bacera kumweterera ase nabo kananyirwa wa ase nukushamwe twabone turebe gwa ase nabari nanye
tabarukayo omukahumura ko program ekiri asisimuka kiri cyo butungi charity kinalake kasanga ka keke tujane impapura z'amakuru urupapuro rwa The New Vision rwe rwisha rwebembire umushongeji onkantu kwisyangu nyencha karetu ino mwereko nugutandika 2006 aho mucayi kaceka mpaka 2005 byo kwa mushanju guri kwebemberwa aba Swift Initiatives Limited abariyoni batwore byo kutangaza mu rurembo nabwo ejo nkabenye nangu kutandikana nyencha kare iwe tandika utwara abantu bawo mwore kogu ngo kukasanga kiyakugambira bakatandika kare kutebekana sebidara n'amahanga abantu baresere ibintu binji munonga kandi jako byaka sente kace for example so tinkwe na ngoferwa mu gishogu ubwije mu cweka cyawe nawe ndote muka transport rgeshe morge bushenyo rge ntunga mu rukonjera nahandi abo ko ibintu byako bya bay dondoro abo kujangu no mworeko kandi byo takare bago birebe kandi abana bari accommodated tinkwe na mwana wa musugomuka abo kana bobine kibayije kwandi bareba shirinzi kumirwa nkabo mwana ufutahamu kandi iyo muntu mukuru nyowe na kasanga kinano ndijo ni shirinji 12 zonka nyikiriza ntoro mu gishogu okutwara mu rupapura urwa The New Vision ndukurabira mu bice bajangu MPs target top opposition office reform PLU leaning lawmakers deny aiming at Senyonyi amakuru garyaha abemba mu rugambo manyambenda Senyonyi argeho karida opposition rerera manya kandi yo PLU yizira mukai nyana ngo shomoro paproru noja kwa no itegereza na birugankahi na bizankahi Museveni hosts former Israel hostage abo n'abakizire ingashinka ba survivor ahabwa Entebbe airport hijacking incident yabiro ku murwenda Nshanju na Mukaga. The president of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, got time and met them abahostingire kandi noja kwa no shomaje umurupapura rwitu urwa The New Vision. New robbery syndicate infiltrates schools echo niche chewinsana nyinga kitufu mbakoreka ngo syndicate garitsire yija busia it has resurfaced na mnonga habwa amashomero gaitu nabwo cyo shomoro papuro rebe nibamanyisa chimba kwatanka hini byija bita urebe iwe mukama wishomero nababetorire okumwa kubasa kurebera ishomero ryanyina nabana banyu. East African community prioritizes trade in $110.9 million budget. cho taha muno ja kureba ibi economy nibitambura bita especially twaza harengo rwa East Africa. Ask URA Commissioner General, how do I report tax-based fraud? Yes, ebyaza makashoro kwa kushanga harmu obundo kuteganisa obundo kurabanisa mu byemishoro. How do I report this kind of fraud? Yes. Twazo mu entertainment nabagira nti music promoters SACCOs get 7 billion Ugandan shillings. Abantu ba promoter ba music babahira ka sente kurga omu government kakwingana ki 7 billion. Reba ekikarije kubanuka kora. New PLU boss outlines priorities. Ogwatorinwe kandi yatebwaho kandi nabakoreka ebyari munanda kwebembeza omunshonge squatena no gwebembezi obwabasize kuhebwa ebyemizano ogunaja I am not old no har kugamba Portugal captain tindijo ni Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo responds to critics in emphatic style. Emphatic style namba koreka ngumba jangu ntirebeka kuzireta akiteba Messi na mukiza ro Mbappe bizireba harandi, and he's like, guys, I'm not old. Okwihaho Justin Chavi, Chavijua. Over 120 tenders ziryomu. Yeah, nazo tinkwe nangubere wataka sente kawe. Shiri njangu mebirizonka urupapura urwadani vision. Kandebe urupapura rwa Bukede.
Right, Bukede naye mazira kwa nehika omudakikenu yenyini akandi wale naitwe aha TV West Nehinda. Abana bakafero Minister Balam alangiridde leero abatuufu. Ekiwandiiko kya kkooti kyongedde obunkenke. Baba kuleetira Bukede somo itegereze ku lwa DNA yerugiro kwa nekorwa akano kugumya abana mali abakafero ne baha kandi n'abatalibe ne baha. Aba PLU bagala babagetteeka okumusuuza ekifo noha Senyonyi soma oyetegereze akande byonna Bukede ekuleetire ebyabadde mu nsinkano ya Kabaka abakulu b'ebika byonna biri mu Bukede ya Keroken akande pass PLE erumu akande amasomo integrated science ne social studies byonna nimerora biru mu Keroken jiguru omwana y'omuzaire akande asobole kuba nayongeraho endwadde mukaaga abasajja zibatuulira ne zibatta somo itegereze nizihezo ezibali kubazaawo mu Bukede ya Kerokino Lulia Naturora Court ewadde Mandera ebiragiro ku ttaka ly'e Busega embe kwatagana n'ttaka eryapookereka ttaka omwihanga soma oitegereze Bukede ya Kerokino. Owa Cranes y'abakazi awangudde ku kikopo bakuleetire kande mu Bukede ya hati. Filimu etandise bakuleetiye Cristiano Ronaldo n'ensonga ezibaire ziroho akuli mu Portugal omusajja mutakyateeba kandi yabooleka amaanyi n'ateeba goal zisigonge 2 Bukede mukuleetire Keroken. Yaloze Harry Kane yeeyongedde tutumu bakuleetiye omufumu kuruga kuli mu ttiimu yange ya Ghana kandi muno abaire mufumu wabo mpaka za World Cup kandi kwaleterize timu yange ya Ghana anekora draw ya 0-0 busatebere mugenzi we kandi omufumu ono ngwangira kumukuhirayo mwetegereze noha n'omulimo ogwakozere hanyuma yokora omulimo ogwa timu egyo benezana England. Bukede yazoketi ya Kerokeno asoma ujetegereza singira 10 zonka no myanya etaliye munemu nambere turikuba ntugigulizo kwetorori hanga kakondo kwa yazoka gitunge hasiringira 10 ebya bisobole kwa nibisemera kandi umanye n'amakuru wago omukukira.
Twaza kuza omukahumuro barunjumwe program ekiri ya CCM kogarukansa kwa twina bajenyi bemiringo etariyemwe tuje kwa twine abakorga Metropolitan International University batworeke eva twinira hameza courses nziha ka sente kingana ki amataji garinga hina nebindi okubasa iwari kwetengo obuhereza oborengo orwa university okwo kubasa wanji
kubegitaho
ya okuba kubasa okubegitaho kandi okabasa kutunga obwegeso bw'orurengo rwe orwa higuru beitu nshaka twina na ebitongore cha MTN bija kuba nabo batwongeserereza hari ibyo bariyo mbahereza abantu bitu omwihanga especially tuija kuba ntwesiba ahabukwatena nebya Momo Pay twenda kuri MTN Momo term 2 win school fees wasa kwininga school fees orukoresa Momo kandi obwekorwa mu kitongore cyo cyenyine echa MTN turiyo mutamu ya kabiri. And so we are in the very period that twetengera mu buhereza nkobu tukareba how best these guys can help us okubasa kuraba omubwiro bundo butatwanguhire kandi tukija tukashashura umuringo gwo kwanguhirwa nebindi ngo kubarije kwa babitebeza ekiko ine kukora no kujya mutwarga ha program eji ya sisemuka katugaruki
honest with you, you know, they are all treatment options. Treatment option to a sacrificing. Especially at Twatani Kaka to extrinsic discoloration. You discoloration here. For example, if something is related to hygiene, Shangomuntu discoloration here in Nokuja Takuamino Takuzamin. Ogomuntu kwari kwijana tubasa kumwoza amino tugapolishinge gagaruko mukara yenyene iruhanga ya muhire yego then na yayire ngenje no zizimbere nakibibona bigereki then harabo kushanga bine lifestyle like smoking stain ababo you know sometimes it one more treatment plans to look at the realistic options. Sometimes if you get someone who in a discoloration as a result of smoking alcohol consumption, yes, I can tell you to stop alcohol and smoking. I think even if I told you, it is difficult for you to immediately stop. It is a process, it is a gradual. So sometimes I want to cover to designing a cleaning schedule. Maybe because of your lifestyle, we predict that in the next 4, 5, 6 months, so to take a routine you cleaning after every 6 months, so that you keep what. You keep okay. You keep okay. Much as you have those other. You know, but though the most advice would be for anyone who to stop smoking. Any use of smoke, actually, I would personally say it is bad. Side effects, most of the oral cancers, they are associated with people who are smoking or who have ever used any form of tobacco. N'abacyara bakufutana tabu mucyaro ni mujumburira abantu abacyara binja butushangira ibintu kansa yo mukanwa, it's because they have in any form no kuba kozesizeho itabi kandi itabi actually na dangerous kusinga sigara yego sanje itabi ne nicotine nyingi ari kusinga iyo musigara. So that is the lifestyle. Then ekindi kikuchira gukora no kwa disvengi ano abantu to advice a diet. Harone mere yo kudi ukashanga yo nkeri kukozinga stain. So hariho emere tukubasa kurukomenya kugira ngo iyi ni muka cleansing effect. Nka salads nka sugar cane.
Ango chikije bachigamba nzire yo cyakatura cyinyi ha.
Nka salads nka sugar cane nka rose cabbage. is veggies is in increasing effect
inongamberera n'ikishushye mineke
kugira ngo nde ishushe mineke kora cyo
ngo staho gumana okuba inkumagana bidi cyegeramo
but to be honest with you I think bichukua kukuvanija no kugira ngo the process of using them zine increasing effect kandi n'ikindi one of bikozesa ni stimulating saliva production kushoza amacante menshi mu process yo kuyanka cabbage chikujo nachi so the more saliva production you have the lower the acidity in the mouth so ko kugira iyo acidity content yaba low hatoshanga na namino chances yo kushanga wa mino gafu mu kana wozi bachi zibanje so there are almost some foods has in increasing effect and those are recommending so first is cleaning, 2 you can adjust on the diet, 3 will also guide you on lifestyle change. Let's say if you are smoking, you can find a way of trying to regulate it and reduce it. We can also, you know, I have an tabakuria interview as a result of just cope.
Of course,
hata ushanga group y'abantu barumu you see I usually tell people for me on my side chikumere ku at this age it is difficult to influence me because virtually no nakwata binugire unga at least now I have reached the point I want to akora choice as a person kamanyangu. It does not mean that I am pure, but I am sure on this lifestyle I can say I will never smoke and it will never happen.
TVS Nehinda akandi 52 zonka ezaraba sayito yo kubanza mu program sisimuka ngo kutugambire tuino mugeni akandi bukaire nko kanu okuruga Metropolitan International University akandi talionde nondi wo mukuru tumusime Apollo abakurungo manyenka rutaba kandi onwe head rund in charge practicals Metropolitan International University Mbarara campus. Sabona kwachira webare kuyija kandi tutandikiraho.
Webare munonga omutebekanusa amazina nko kubagagamba mbanyeta tumusime Apollo Rutaba. Kandi head wa practicals ninga ebyokutuma nkora umkwatire n'ibiturukushoma. Kandi mostly department ya agriculture ahabwa Metropolitan International University. Metropolitan International University ni university yatandikire emyaka mingi nyuma kandi ekatandikira branch yitu enkuru eya Kisoro tukiza tukagitaho branch yitu eya Mbarara kandi tukagitaho branch ndije ya Kashatu eya Kampala. So nyowe the best branch eya Mbarara kandi nkoko babagambira ninye urukwedinga ebikwatire na practicals ninga kureba ngo biturukushoma nutubitwa umunkora. University ine courses nyingi eje ya Metropolitan International University nka universities ezindi eine course ninga faculties nyingi na course umuntu ya faculties harimo courses nyingi faculty nka ya business business administration faculty twine nka faculty ya education twine faculty ya humanities then twine faculty ya agriculture and environmental science. So ejeya faculty of agriculture and environmental science nyewe nuhundu kubesinga kandi tujitire mamana munonga. That's why today niyo ndikuza kugambaho basically bwo kuba ihanga ndamuvinjira ninga ndatambara ahankora yebyubuhinji n'uburisa haza ubuhinji n'uburisa abantu babutwire batyo kurigirira nko kuruga kare bashongora bakana bahinga batetenkurito bakana barisa twagumanta bitwarare vejo konkito kunu mu Metropolitan International University twacamu twine abantu kuboreka ubunde ndisa na empinga eriya murembe hazo muryebyo twagira mu courses twazicamwe bicweka akomwana kwa kwiza university naca mu kushomeki ninga kushomakiriya. So faculty yitu ya agriculture and environmental science twine mu bachelors of agriculture in land use management. Omwe ntubantu shomesa umwana kumanya ebyitaka enkora yabyo ubutonde bwensejo na no kuyakubasa ubundi kubwongera hamani ninga kuhinduramo no mara bwo kusanga itako ubundi ndabasa kuhinga ebihimba ritakwasa kuhinga mwana konkite tugira ngo no itake ruhinga ebihimba ritakuhinga mwana nabwo ntubasa kurihindura rihingo mwana kurigira okuwahindura muningo kuwacamo. Twine bachelors of agriculture education, bachelors of science in agriculture education kugira ngo tuza kushomesa abashomesa abaraze kushomesa agriculture matendekera ganda senior primary na institutions zizindi. So in fact in short tendeka abashomesa abaraze kushomesa abandi. Then twine mu bachelors in animal health, bachelors in agriculture and animal health ejintubant shomesa abantu abaraza heru bakaza kurebera amatungo g'abantu amatungo ngaryaci amatungo ngarwara kugakurwara ntugaragurira tuta amatungo oshimeye kugatwara zota then kuwa kuina kataka kache utunge matungo chi kandi kuwa kubo bundi oine amatungo gawe nangwa no teka kuba ngogongireho no yetagaci hateje ni bageta bachelors of agriculture in animal health ejo nakose ndijo ya kashatu faculty yitu tine ndijo ebakweta bachelors of agriculture and rural innovation hati empinda hinduka yense genzire nebaho ubutonde bwense bwagenda buhinduka. Now innovation agriculture bachelors of agriculture and rural innovation ntwenda kureba training abana abaragenda heru bakareba ntubasa kuhindura ho tuta utakateka ngo ninke bya bibuli okutsabire kiri na hatu nukwe kiri kandi nukwe cereba ebiro byona no. For example gan kwecho kurebera no basa kusanga ngo training abana kugira ngo kora sohora heyo no basa kuyembe kecuzu kitunga mahiguru okite murevozi nkina ote hemiti just amutugwa katandaro ko kubanza ote hitaka ote hakatandaro ka kabiri ote hitaka ote hakatandaro ka kashatu ote hitaka konkaburi katandara kuwata hitaka obyare hebihingwa byawe usange ngo inakantu katkache futi ntubarira futi nka 8 ojukora kanya na higuru ojuro butandaro nki 10 hato shango ubwo butandaro no hinga ho kabeji zukuyamba ejo nabageta innovation bachelors of agriculture and rural innovation kandi aho ntubantu jangu utandike no kurigiro kuwashanga abantu na nebindi tineyo bachelors of agriculture in crop production just in training abana abaraza heru bakamanya niba bakagero kumanyirivu ubwo kushoza ebihingwa na kabeji no gihingota nentora no zihingota because umuntu nahingo muceka omwitaka entora zanga kurugamo ondijo umuntu muceka kimwe ahinga entora kandi ariba yazisharura. So ejo nabageta crop production kugira ubumanyirivu ombye bihingwa just then tine yo bachelors in agribusiness management ebyo nakutwaraga kubihinga kutwaraga kubishohoza kutwabigira wabitoto mu katare noyitaga katareki abwo kuba kora abor kabare nunda kuguruza mu kabare kandi ntukimanya ngo ebitoke tibikwera kabare hati wabwenci kandi nibyo rukuhingayo so aha agri business okuhingira okushubura kugira ngo wahinga ngo twara mu katare ebyo bihingwa bigaruke bihwere nabandi bantu so echo John course na yer kuzo ombanyiri vobwa then tuinendijo bachelors of agriculture in bachelors of science in agriculture extension oguntu training abantu abarashohore bakaza kushomesa abahingi area education nani kugambira ngo no kushomesa abashomesa abakuza kushomesa mu matendekero konka hatage bachelors of agriculture in extension no kushomesa abantu abarashohora heru bakashomesa abahingi okubarashoze ibintu byabo for example wanje ningo wito mu cyaro cyanjye ningo mu cyaro cyawiwe nwasa kusanga mukana muhinge ntoke zirije mu myaka 30 enyuma kunka hati ntoke zanjiri ninge ebihingwa bihimba nare binyobwa byanjiri no bitamu byoma bitakarabizi hati ogo wa agriculture extension kutumu training nabaye no bumanyiri vukumanya ngo itaka kuri yaberi hindukire noza kutamuki ningashi tuhindure kingwa echo nkirigirira warga ahakoreba yonko muhingisa actually extensionists agriculture extensionists ninga bachelors in agriculture extension ntushomesa abahingisa namanya tractor no dukore sota namanya noza kusarura mbikwingana ki kora arge kuhinga no sarura mbikwingana ki ningashi kwenda kugobamo mu itaka ryawe oshimiye kuba no hinga buki so ezo nzo kosezi zimwe aharyezo kandi za tureteri izoba ahakubagambira ngo agriculture nubwo mutima gwihanga agriculture nubwo mutima gwenseji nabwo echo ko kwiza metropolitan nabwo wiza kushaba umwanya ntwa advising ninga tukwereza obhabuzi wiza nkoko shomire nebiwano yenda ningi cyo kwenda kutungamo bwanyuma yo kusoma hato muri kezi ko twabora icora tware ninga icora reke
okay umunyero Apollo wabare mnonga ugambo wa muheru kandi turiyo ntendera
mwebare mnonga nienda kubasibura konkana nienda kubamanyisa ngwitwe aha Metropolitan International University turi university eri unique inakwasa kweta unique cyo kwanza chabyona turigire kutunga chata. We are now 1 year chartered. It's kutunga chartered ntibanyi mayisangu ejo university nobwo kutunga ekipapura cyayo kaza America mbakuhereza ekitinsa chamani abwo kubori university kumanyensi yona ubundi kintu chatamba basobuta cyetegereza nobwo kurugaho kaza Canada tabanye mayisangu uza kutunga ekitinsa document yawa nene kwisa omurimo Canada ninga America echo muchimanyi that is a charter chikumanyisa then finally tuinemuka element akanda aka bursaries okay. Tuine half bursaries abukuba courses zina gamba wazando mu universities ezindi no shanga ngo course ne costing million emwe ne mitwaro 40 million emwe ne cheka million emwe mitwaro nkaga around there konkitwe tukajya ngutereze half bursary for example umutebekanisa wande toro umuntu wawe nyunka staff nkamutwara ninga tukamutwara yo train kabaje nti ogu kurijira umucyaro tarije no muntu atine mani mwenu twante na mutwateremu hatiwe owa million mune mutwaro 40 kuzayo hata bachelor azez ntuzishomesa aha million aha mutwaro nshanju honore ajon half basari kandi kose zinagamba zona zine na diploma zazo okay. Kandi zine na certificate zazo so otakubasa mtwaro nshanju ya degree na basa kushashire mtwaro nkaga ya diploma ninga na basa kushashire mtwaro 85 ya certificate ajon half basari konkaye tara half basari eje kugambe ya million mtwaro nshanju ya degree ekabire million mune mtwaro 40 ya kubire ya diploma mtwaro nkaga ekabire mtwaro 9 ya kweri million mtwara na neta ina gambe ya certificate ekabere mtwaro nkaga na 5 so mwize aha Metropolitan International University tine intake sibiri ya May na neya August hate ya May yawe namwe nabo abutwaya yakire May bariyo no bashoma kandi bariyo bari hikukore bizambyabo then aba intake yo kwa munana hatu turiyo tubakira nabamwe tabatira notice board kwa munana tutandika intake ejo kandi aba year 1 aba intake yo kwa munana nabatandika immediate semester yabo kwa munana kwatandika so ntubakira mwije tubahereze service abo kuba warebe bishare byito nebishare by'abandi norento ngo abantu bagukuke abwo kuba mu Uganda agriculture nugomani gihanga ko kuba ine byo kurya no gwo potagurize ni cikuru konka ko kongeraho bundu waguza ukahinga bihango ninga byinjo kaguza hato katunge ntasya dere binde byasigara life ya butosha nitibekana ntubakira o Metropolitan International University please twabakira mnonga
okay TV West nehinda mukayerekana tutsemere kwantuyunguraho habo nsonge ya Kayire Mr. Apollo tumusime Rutaba head of practicals Metropolitan International University nona banyine hansonge ejo niye mukaninihera oine ecogoboroire mu rwano tunora reka tumulekake kandi tugaruka guma
Orwa kabiri
amaka mingi goserenaga manya ngo kuhinga ebyo kurya no kuhinjireka konka to kumanya ngo no basa kuhinga ohinge nebyo kuguza ebyo kuhema gasente mwene rwa kabiroro ndizaka batwine muyambi aro kutwegesa hakukanyise mondi hamwe no kuzaze mondi
n'ikintu cyo kutandika ukamanza wa hayamani gawe kwesi yayehireyo zeni waiza ko hayamani gawe ahanyuma y'imyaka waiza kusharura ukashanga wagira mu business icyakashatu n'ikintu cyo kutandika kikakubisaho kikalisa family yawe ni wowe nka food security ukashanga wagirwanisa wazace mondi tihine kindi kihingwa kunu itwe nka kabare ekiri kugoba nke mondi ngwe nani intera enduru kugira ngo ubundi wotakahinjire mondi nicyenda nazo zirozeho uhinge mondi abo kwa wahinge shawemwe umwe n'umwe average hati nitunge shawo mushanje
wabo ryo ko kwenda kuza on business yo kuzaza no kanyise mondi iwo cyo ine kora rebika program major wa kabiroru shahina zechiro buzumazuma tiya kufera
ombiri kwije juba
neka yandi byaro kuma ikumara
Ugo mwana ndemeri dore ko mutwara konkore noza kushenya makaga bantu You are hostan oshabira kanga omushinja tarampe nzoro rubaje aha nogwe muhane referendum murete abishemwe mutarwana
mazara wanje murungi
no we no please
ukuzina namushawe bakoresha bakuzina
tata zaro mukunda
Orwo kubanza
kansa eji nekira kuba neretwa ki of course nka kansa zona kutura ntugamba nizitekwa kuba zindemu kugira ngo amagara gazezara either oina karondo ka family oina abanyabuzara baragirwireho so imwe akarondo kanyu ndakugira ngo butafari bwa kumara bwecanga bukora ki bukora akansa konga tuineho na nezinde zikora mu risk factors so oira family tunebinde binde kutokoza ubutafari bw'umunda bikaleta kansa icyo kubanza ubona turabuzira gamba kuresana no kunywa amarwa alcohol kunywa amarwa hamwe na data okuresa cya kabiri tuineho tweta ngo lifestyle okusinga mnonga ibyo kurya okay okuchonda zakoleka ngo ibyo kurya ebikumara ubwire bwinji bitashohire munda nibikira kuleta
kansa
akatezo kayongera ako kufuna kansa iyo ruhango so ibyo ni biha enyama abantu bane bamanye bitebyo kurya akamaro ubwire yes so abantu abakunda mama yangu kurya emereji no maro ubwire utagize utagira mu toilet so nje tangu ni solo transit time kurya hato kaze muturere taburi 3 bina
webare iwe sebona nyabakira nitwe ahabwa program ya sisimuka tuongera kwakira kandi hadakika mwenda izari ngumushayiti yo kubanza twari mu gishogu okuretera omujinyo kuruga mu kitongore cha MTN arakwija kwa natugambera ahabwatana no kwangura school fees ahabwa tamu ya kabiri budgeta MTN momo tamu 2 win school fees kandi akasheshekera izo bantu enda kwetegereza inshongeze ro kujikwataho tukareba kubyine kubana bitambura campaign eji erieta neruganka hine garuzanka hine tamberoha yangu hetia yangu heta nabo citara kumenyera ngo zehare abo kuba iwo muzire iwo mureberezi iwe wishomero iwe basa iwoha nkabenye nango base kutambura nitwe omukasheshe nkaka ahabwa inshonga nkezo mbwenu umwami no wagaba guno regional business manager yashtiraha korgomo MTN okubasa kututangaza aha campaign eji mbwenu ntarukutwara kire karingwa nanisha wangu mwachire ayongere kutweyanjura no kutugambere birukiraho then abwanyuma twase kurebe buze bitwambuza okongera kwetegereza inshongejo ya MTN momo tam 2 win school fees ndicho butundi charity sebona kwakira
webare charity kujashira amazina ganje ko wagagambire ne Emmanuel Wagaba kandi mbarara ni nkoranka regional business manager serizo batwisha kugamba aha school fees.
What is it about?
Ukabazire bari kubasa kwangura school fees. We are talking about guardians, we are talking about parents, abakushashura fees abana bitu.
So tugambere campaign eji eri hari cyenyene.
Ubwo kaburi kutandika twafiro campaign yo kubanza. It was successful. So twashara ngo tugaruke
mu rwa kabiri.
Mu rwa kabiri. Twashara ngo tugaruke abazire tushitwaye chance yo kwangura school fees. Twinoho fayo kugira ngo abazire bahangure school fees yo mwaka. Twinoho fayo kugira ngo amashomero agari participatinga mu promotion ejo babasa kwangura vani.
Hagara specific ninga it's a general
it's a general.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Last year we had Lucky Kids Academy bakahangura van and a number of Kampala and a number of other schools and other parents ababasize kuhangura fees.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Hachi imwe numwija mugobera mukahira hanga wanje mukakorogo kubanza mjange kaba successful kandi nimwe mwatiremo hata gwabo murundo gwa kabiri nabwe mwagaruka nabwe nimwe murate muko kwangura kwabantu imwe numwija abwenci nubwana mutaka sento mu initiative eji
nkaya MTN ni tugize kuteka campaign ejo tugize kuri wadinga abaziri of course what you muzire ni ubarimo. We are trying to reward the parents kugezo kushashura school fees abana babo and school fees ziri kwishiriza payments za mobile money ziri mu process yo kugira ngo they can stand a chance of winning. Campaign eji of course it is to support families and schools and of course kokurana kugambire we are looking at convenience yo muzidi titukayana ngorugaho zo mu banko zo kutera line kana ngorugaho ze kushanga oyine issues zona ezokuzibiri kushashura fees. So that is why we are encouraging parents kugira bashashuze mobile money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hatulanisha wango tutware ometendera tukurabamu aha yeje MTN momo wateva nkoko wacheta umutwika kugira ngo abase okusingura school fees eji mana okuchuru kumuhoera nkomuzire hati ninya nasingura kandi ninya nagaraka nkakoresa momo how do we go about it?
Okay, parents abazire of course icho kwansha byonshi bikoine simu kaditu ya MTN.
kago ngo mazina
icyo cyo kutandikiraho
kade ine kweriya ya MTN
iryo mazina gawe of course oine student number yawe na nishomero ry'umwana wawe gushobora
area nankari nishi kugamba students number, what do you mean?
Buri student urushashurira fees aine a unique number through student number yero kumushashurira.
Okay.
So once you know those three noza simu ya onyiga staiga na kaga ni 5 star na hash. So amara kunyigejo kodi ekutwara mu prompts ukora kubasa ku following prompts ukashashura ukabasa kufuna na message wa mara kushashura. So it's of course ni saving abazire kugira ngo batatambure ni engendo ningwa batazo mu bank lines of course no kwegura cash. We are trying to save you from carrying cash. Watabasa kugenda long distances chindi the convenience. So chinde repayment yoro kushashura of course na message yamara korabamo.
Okay.
Remember na janti every student in a unique number yoro kumushashuriraho. Bamara kumushashuriraho umuzira nafuna message kwereka ngo sente zaba successful. So of course after that you share the message with the school yongana rikushomera.
Bamanyango washashara. Hati omwami Emmanuel nani yafangu tutaneseje. Aboko anoshana twabatwara mu speed. Haroho okuwininga school fees from UMTN or from anywhere else. Kutaramentu zuwininga kuruga owanyu then tujya tukariyari aha kugira ngo twahikasha yo kuzishasha nebintu bibiri. Haroho okuzihangura then nano kosa momope. So nanisha abangu byombi obitwahurire. Ni impangura nta school fees. Then naheze kujahangura you are the same people abonyine kuba ni inkoresa. Nkagaraka nkashashura these fees byomba bitwaro mu processes zabyo.
Webale mnoga wataka hangwiri wino kubanza wa participating.
Okay,
that is the difference. Banza washashura fees iwe nkomuziri
ndukoresa
urukwesa mobile money MTN Momo. Okay. Then after on our side we shall run the draw.
Okay.
Running a draw tufune mu muhanguzi. That is when you come in as a winner.
Ni mantwire ni shashura ndukoresa mobile money.
Exactly.
Ndukushashura fees yo mwana wanje.
Exactly.
Then imwe mucamanya mukoresa messages ezina yohorezaho ninga bamborekera ngo akazano nakataha.
Of course on our side we are able to see ogunogu bashashurira fees bakoresa mobile money, then we can run a draw tufuna mu muhanguzi.
What if I don't want to join it?
If you don't want
how
to
join, how do you iron me out? Nyenda kumanisha shora school fees yaje ni njobasa.
If you don't want to join it, there's no way out. We are going to run the draw. When we pick you out, kugambira ngo ahangura kujya center yo tinkuzenda.
Yego.
It is okay.
Okay.
We can run this the show again.
Okay.
Tufuna mondisho.
Okay.
And I don't think abantu babiri bashatubona nibaza kujya tutinka yenda center zanyu.
Sente kwango wabachi.
Then she of course for schools is participating.
Even schools do.
Exactly. That's why I talked
for
about.
For them, they don't pay school fees.
Of course, schools is registering kugira ngo abazire bakozese system yo kushashura fees. Not all schools are onboarded.
Really?
Amashomero agari onboarded in Mache, and they also stand a chance of winning the van y'abana.
So amashomero ngabiha bazire kugira ngo akorese momo pay.
It is about convenience.
Okay.
So we are encouraging schools. Amashomero agataka registering ahankora ya school pay. We call it school pay. It is different from Momo pay.
Yes.
It is different from Momo pay. So amashomero agataka registering ahankora ya school pay. We urge them to onboard. Bije to registering baba se participating on promotion age. So on our end we are able to see ishomereri neri niryo ricasingiye kufuna transactions nyingi from parents bari kushashura fees z'abana. So that is when these schools will come in kugira ngo zakorachi zahangura vantage.
So bine kubanza ba introducing at parents ejenkore ya school fees.
Yeah, school pay.
Yeah, school pay.
Yeah.
kokuramba tugambira follow these steps school pay then tamuri namba y'umwana wawe then ushashure okay hate cyo nikija cyabahura kita ahari nyowe aya nahangura school fees ahawo mwana nomba hakategore yabo nito mutakategore yitu ninga twena mutahamwe then mshanga yabishomero then it takes a van.
No school owners of course in a category yabo where they stand a chance of winning the van. Then category ndicho their parents about supporting these schools and supporting more kujangu bashashura bakoresha application yitu ya mobile money.
Okay. Can we know all the stakeholders abo kuteka ngo iki kintu bine kuba nankachimanye tumanye ngo at least audience itiriwe tugambira yabasa kurara yayegita ahankoreje. Of course nyo muzire nabire stakeholder.
Of course muzire is a stakeholder, school owners in this case nibo turi kureba because they are the nibo binabana bitu. Nibo bari kubashomesa at the end of the day nibo bari kufuna fees from us the parents. So that is why we came up with promotion edge kujangu omuzire tumubereho abase kushashura fees conveniently atabanze yazankahe mu mabanka ninga that convenience then okoro kwenja kushashura there is a promotion and a chance for you to win school fees for a year. So I call upon parents abatine simu kadito
nyowenji nereka kunde wamnone
abatine simu kadito za service centers zito for the simu card
ninga tukushanga mu town babuza
bwa ninga our food soldiers our food sales team bakwe simu card.
Okay,
then you enroll.
Okay,
then Chindi is
Ondijo stakeholder.
On digital stakeholder, of course, I've talked about the parents, I've talked about the school owners, of course, and the guardians who pay for our students.
About compassion.
About compassion, what I do, I think, they are free of charge, but of course, they also get in touch with us when they are paying. There's no free service, I suppose.
Okay. Abarkwakira sentezi. Umashomero katubete nkababasa eje nkora clear to them ninga kabasa kwa harimo kwakuruzo bwo kwenda ngo betegereza ha ku receiving a sentence chikankechi.
So ni encouraging amashomero kugira ngo registering kabase kweze nkora eje ya school pay babasas of course bamara registering they are able to get that statement request payments okuzako. There's a link we use so that our buses and our school owners, they're able to access that information from the different parents. Digital connections, of course, in the Ziyama kujangu zibase ku supporting tracking your payments, reconciliations, of course, I'm going to cash management.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is when buses will come in to access that information from us after giving them information.
Now how do you do the draw? Draw iti nimwisha mujikora mutanyona shashoro mwana wanje okorabera ha twagita school pay.
Yeah, school pay.
Na asafu yakoresa school pay abo bana be bashatu na nkarwa nkoniyo yakoresa school pay abo bana be bakushashoro mashomero nkamukaga. Who chooses me nguninye nasingura mbone manyengu tibyo kutu yaho kariya ka charge ko kujangu nashashora nukoresa momo pay.
The draw is draw to Jukorera, of course, with our head office it. We run the draw then for Namomo house. I wouldn't say we just pick randomly, no. We do a draw then Omo house arugamo.
Echoma nchachu kuntorana.
Exactly. Tukujan tukora draw because ntumanyogu no gutumba.
Mwana nyango mnakuta isesha yona ninkurira. Okay.
Yeah. Then of course the other is about school fees loan. I think you might talk about it as we proceed.
How you talk about it now? Talk about it right away.
School fees loan, of course, na iriho and basa kuhereza abazire chance yo kugira ngo abatine atari kubasa kwebasa kushashura fees at the same time twabasa kubahweraho kushashura fees. aha loan
That was my first question kugira ngo bitana bita okutunga school fees ya loan then no garuka nkaba nishashura loan then katunga mudro amirwa nishashura fees.
So
how do you go about
the school
that?
fees on customers basashurira abana kuisa abana kutandikira mitwara 2 kuisa miliyoni 3 n'ecweka. So ino mwana ari umushemero kwasa kumushashura miliyoni 3 n'ecweka, we can give you that loan. Konka tituka ku loan ya ushe remember it's a loan in ho interest
Ni mwamagoba.
Amagoba ga 5% per month.
Oh,
so kandi jurani tujukereza kumara imyezi 3. So
linda ho tugarike kache karingani. So nyowe nimbasa kuba ntakubasa kuba nishashura school fees ntajine okuzumu dre abariya yabari kushashura kurabira hasumu kuza omukusingura. Hati nyowe nyenda ngumuzinguzi. Two twahikaho. Muzinguze mu jimpe kalone. Noho twahika sebo.
yes. Ero nejo netujukwa konkate tukakwa cash.
Yes.
Ziliya simu. Remember when you're paying, tuza kushaba student number hamwe na nishomero then obitamo then sente zuruga simu zigenda direct account ishomero.
Hati nishaba ntaro nejo nindabira hariki.
Staigana kaga ni 5 star 9 hash. Then of course
Kukwirika manya bitsuga.
Staigana kaga ni 5 star 9 hash.
Star igana kaga ni 5 star 8 hash. Then I follow the prompts.
You follow the prompts.
Bambuza school fees y'inkwendo bwinjwayo.
Exactly. So loan is up to 3 months at 5% per month. Parents can easily access more school fees loan from their funds. So star 165 star 8 hash, then you can also check it out.
Okay.
Then raya tulikuwasa kuhereza chi loan ejo.
Okay. Numumpa ina shaba yenyene ningano mbanza ni mumaro kuntwire ni ndabye center ha mobile money then mbona mu
of course buri customer with aine size ye. Let me say it in that way. Aine limit ye yarikubasa kubasa kweguza. So one enda kweguza loan ya miliyoni 3 ya school fees and you qualify nitujukuhereza then yishashuje mwana.
You give it to me instantly. Ninjitunjira wa unatera mbyo ne mwashaba.
Wanogeza kushashura nitujukuheraho right away.
Konka kunshashurira nyonta zitabandize kwiko wanje mukugera.
Tizikwaza kwiko nigera direct. That is understand chama twara 2 kwika miliyoni 3 n'ecweka.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hata honkabe nyenda ngo nyetegereze inshonge kwatirina na okubira kutana waba no shabaroni kushashura fees then nananye arumuna na shashura fees eyinyine yewe nko muntu we follow the same star 165 hash 80 how do you go about it?
For starters urikwenda kushashura fees already in sentence yawe urikwenda kweguza school fees loan otina sentence ziri kumara asibe yawe still code nemo.
Kuijuza ho topping up.
Yes. Staigana kaga ni 5 star 9 hash. Then of course nekuhereza options school pay, sure pay, peg pay, then number 5 ya school fees loan, one in the loan. Number 1 ya school pay one ndo shashurira umwana fees. So work choosing one of the categories ni kumane kutwara to the next.
Ishizito automatic unayachira nti card ya MTN ngajicumi tomusumu yanje automatically byo nebyo rumunonte beza birumu ninga nabo ino kubanza na installing.
Those codes are there. Those codes remove once you have a SIM card. Konka kukuna nakugambire wagura SIM card is first use it for some time. Then you request for the loan.
Mbanze najikora akoresa kwaho. Tinkagura ngata immediately nkashabe chinkwe.
Baza wajikozesa then after you can request for the loans.
Oh, okay.
For the school payments, you can go right away, Oshashura. Then, of course, the money is on your phone. Then to the Yahoo, school,
okay.
Yeah.
You are kushashura fees, ni ndaka kukora. Okar kwenda kutunga roni, I take some time.
First use the SIM card.
For like 3 months, eh?
Yeah, most likely 3 months. Star igana nkaga ni tano star 80 hash is the code to use.
Twine omwami Emmanuel kurga MTN Regional Business Manager country ya Nshonga ya school fees. Turiyo campaign yibayita MTN Momo tamutu win school fees okubasa kureba ngu wayanguhirwa iwo muzire okugira okuwa basa kuhangura urukurabira mukushoshora school fees kandi bano hangura fees yo mwaka gwona hato go guhumura ibyo bene ushashura hatubabyaza harabaju ningashi ubasa kutunga umugisha go kubasa kusingura go kubasa kweguza ahito akwetanga school fees wabo tajine bajukuhereza utamuka interest kache kumara 3 months then hasigara ubasa kuba munya Uganda orukwesimsa twaza kuzaho kace omugahumuro okugaruka nza kwa nintungo butumwa ningasho kumanyisibwa okuruporeka babasa na naganda mashomero agaryo munjereji gogongere kumanyachi ahashongeji ya MTN Momo tamtu school fees win then turaheze tuje kubantu rebo butumwa bwebwa hamuheru akwatena na campaign eje cyo butunji charity nkira mwami Emmanuel katso mukahumuro nitugaruka.
Football celebration is on Star Time. Starting 11th June to 19th July, the World Cup is the only thing that matters. Don't miss the last dance of Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Neymar Jr. on channel 201 or channel 447 on Star Time. Star Time's reward. Make monthly subscription on your current bouquet to enjoy upgrade to the next higher bouquet on us. Classic and Super Bouquet customers, you enjoy 5 days extra. Powered by Star Times.
Sunday.
Izoba ryo kigambira hakikirira.
Kikamutwarira aho ubwire no mayati bari kucira kora kunanka n'ubwo uri kumureba amesho bakaje atereka nshiteka keke nikikari.
Cyamara nko bwire buri kwingana
ki?
Nyeze eshatu yona shi oba yoteka teka cyo mutu.
Wakatariho n'amasimu no yetwara. You see, abamwe abashije bari selfish. Arareba asime agambi ayende ngo uyagambira ayishiririzeho that is selfishness.
Bagira ngo mpiro gwo mukatu kunyuma
ni gubonera mukaze nawe yaba naguhagira
atwe nahagira timu
bastera owanje nahagira buri time yagira mani
etine mani nafukure
utaine timu koka ni bacera kumweterera Arsenal ukananye rwo Arsenal kushamwe twabone turebe ugwa Arsenal nabari nanye.
Orwa mkaga
wabano planninga kugira ngo yombeke sitegura oyine kutandika planninga utakatanchire chombeko chawe mbwenu okuza kombeke sitegura oyine kubano chumanya kare ichombeko chawe kitakimukire mwenu kuwa kuboryokwe orukwenda kumanya ahakuwa kubasa kombeke sitegura no ryombeke sota no ijobugana mbizo buchi orwa mkagoro shahemwe zomwe bazyo mbiza kwa twine engineer Raymond tusasire kana ishaka bana tuganirira ahakombeke sitegura na nitegure rwaheza kuryombeke sa no ija orhanga zota kandi or maintaining ota
yes no hurano ndakombeke sitegura konko bushobozo kugira ngo zegura siminta kuza kuzomwe tokozireki itarabo ko mucyaro kushangana kwato mushenyi gweye hatabatabura makantu kace kubuzabuza ka siminta ko kubuzabuza akorenje zigyaho itegura no ine kuboyemerireje enji yawo gihireje hansi meaning no kurga hansi neza kutwaraho sente stakushana nezo yakole sibati
wecho inekora to inekferwa program eji orwa mkagoru shahemwe zomwebaza
babari mnonga iwochere nitwe ahabwa program ya system kantiri cyo butunje charity tukino mjenyi witokorga MTN kandi turi ahanshonga yo kwangura school fees ahabwa mwaka nukutiraho atamu ya kabiri MTN momo tam 2 win school fees kandi nabundo bushonshoreke okubu kugenda n'ubutahamu umwami Emmanuel akiriyaha yena akiro nimbuze kibuzo bitari mwe na bumwe nanisha bangu otuhereze message ningashi otuhorezo ubutumwa aha mashomero hamwe na babasa abari omunkoreji ninga batakajijire
wewe Mnonga Church information nyinire babasa na school owners no kujangu already etwine amashomero gatari yankora ya school pay we are ready to kuba registering tukabateka school pay so that now participating on promotion age so they can reach out to us service centers itu ninga they can get information from our field service teams to to onboarding us school pay and of course Thomas registering then of course they give the same information to parents when batani kushashurira abana bari koze John Korea school pay so I request amashomero gadiyokwe and of course twine na school twine na field teams zitu yazikwanizira abana bo mashomero kugira ngo registering babijire batabeta bafere they are part of us and of course they can also get in touch with us kugira ngo bafune that information abantu abaruka baze ko registering so that they can onboard them
Konkari cyatubira mu cash transactions kugira ngo abantu batwibire yoko inene case
atubire mu cash transactions of course we are looking at digital collections kugira ngo zibase kuyamba amashomero na reconciliations na payments of course na cash management we are looking at not handling cash rather than essentials zimezira ba systems za accounts zishomero yeah
umuntu yatashabire cash on field byasigara ningenda nawe
ijuka schools they stand a chance of winning the van that is why we are encouraging them by registering by transacting by requests a school pay then bafune chance yo kuhangura school van
hati nyoka customer wa MTN ni taking a part of campaign age
of course nanachigambiraho parents abari kushashura fees na guardians abari kuyamba abana kubashashurira fees cyo kwanshabira no kubene simu kadi yitu icya kabiri za simu yawe nyinge star igana kagani 5 star chinana hash star 165 star 80 hash then of course also choosing a school pay ningo choosing a school fees loan one and loan then proceeding with generation of course parents niwaza kufuna chance yo kuhangura fees yo mwaka and schools niwaza kufuna chance yo kuhangura school van
nayenda kutunga information eri kwoga wabo kuba hatito twagamba twaheza twagenda abatureba baroho yes kunkana sakushange mwe hine bambenda kubuza okwogaho kandi hina atatureba konkana ija kuchurira kandi yarkwenda ngo atunge information eri kwogaho mbweno ninja kugishanga nkahi ohireho ahito abgambira
information of course is available buri hamwe service centers in information our field service teams in information na yekenyine ndiyanye information I'm trying to spread it to you to the information
ara kuvuga no mutawo nakwate mpari
exactly I'm waiting to give the information so aho kureba ikigambo service centers reach out MTN service center reach out to them bakuhereza information aho kureba service point still we can give you information then to field service teams door to door they also have information they can always on board they can always register where they fail ni babasa kuterera then we can support
ndimu imwe moment mungambire kwata hakuhangura school fees
yes so schools interested in accepting school fees payments through Momo I encourage to engage MTN teams kujango to registering yeah
okutunga kadi yanyu ejo na nyenda ngo yongere kutuma insabishi ekigura za sente ziriye 12 ninga no kwikaha nanka bakampa kagenda
simu card zitu
nakwanze enda kuzironda kurigiro kuba tushoborera
simu card yitu nayo 12 standard price customer umuntu wenda kwenda kushabe sente zikurenga 12 naenda kwiba
babari mnonga
ninjya niyo statement nongeye
icyo kibuzo nico nabanye
kirinze nko 2 simukadi konkana no shingiro ukuntu tujimuha
kurigirira
not everyone can afford nko 2 na no shingiro ukuntu masi simukadi so I call upon my agents abaryokwe abikuguza simcards customer ine shingiro ukuntu simukadi
Sonzo wa agent nzena na kushango mbekubo nabahibe nyine
umubutare umufirudi they have SIM cards.
They are all valid.
Yes.
Okay. Nishayo gambo byawe byamuherusebo.
Of course
ninga woine yakanda kashonshereje kwahura mtu wa elaborating aje ukenda kagaruka muningo katereza yakasi.
As I wrap up, of course nienda kwebaza ba customers bitu. Whenever I get a chance to sit on TV ninyebaza ba customers. MTN get here because of the customers. We are a company, of course, we are a company that serves the customers.
Okay.
So outfitchire ni rukundo ya customers bitabajya herokwe. So I can't thank them enough. Chindi chatureta herizo no mwana mwa school pay, gwa pay with Momo for school fees. Nyensa kare turi kugaba school fees hanuye mu Kijungu. So customers
hari abasingwire
n'abasingwire de tuno muhanguzi mbarara nyensa kare ndi kubukwasa check ya school fees
yo mwaka gona
sara kugira ngo MTN ne yakora byinshi yayi we come on ground kugira ngo umuntu tumwete tumukwasa check ye abandi bari kureba kugira ngo ejo feeling yo kugira ngo MTN babiha erugeho. So tomorrow we are handing over school fees ahamuhanguzi bitoro detamubwine
aho mu Kijungu.
Okay. Then I request parents abadyokwe involve yourselves in promotion age staigana kagene tano stachira na hash. You never know promotion age nebasa kukorera oshanga bahangura fees yo mwaka. And to the school owners, of course school owners abataka registering jira service ya school pay mwishe to registering mubase kuzo mu chance yo kuhangura school van. Okay, so that is the information I have from MTN.
Okay.
Ahandi mwebare kutukunda mwebare ku kweyongera kugura services zitu na products na batakagira a network yitu. It is late. The earlier you join us, the better. Reach out to our service points, service centers, and when I field service teams, our supervisor SIM cards. Kokura naga bena no ine SIM card, ine shinji document ma SIM card. Yes.
So na ine SIM card zanjibiriza MTN ukunisha shora yo no kunisha shora yo oguna no kubona understanding a chance yo kusingura school fees.
Rubo kubena SIM card zishatu. You stand a chance of winning.
When I'm still the same person. Okay. Webare mnonga mwami Emmanuel. Nyina matsiko menji ngo ubundi mwayitegereza kandi bitayitegereza je bagambira wene kubana ushanga information iri kurenga waho kandi nawe nka yakomisha kugira ngo wambuga na ngo mu town iwe mukwato je tunakureba TV yongera kunshoborera na nabari mu field okwe nabo nibongera ukushomesa ukumenya kwa kwasa kusingura school fees yo mwana wo mwaka gona uri kurabira omba MTN konka qualification yo kubanza no kuba ine SIM card yaba MTN Chabutunji Charity ngoma zina kandi kwetu ahindira tuti akashonshere chaka twaza kuzaho mu kashonshere cye akabisinsino nikushaho ngo takarga aha program yeje
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities, and social sciences.
muse butagala ndongo ekirala ekyamututte kwesiba nnyo ku bantu Hello ndieno nsimbudde Hello ebakyali tuterete Hello tuli eno tusimbudde Hello ebyokunywa tuterete Leta mwana wattu somba omuziki mpaka kunca gambye tonyumiza mbwateruni ebisigadde binaaba byanca byana biriwa njagala nyerembira bensimbire enjiwa bamanja mumanyira munnengereza kikimba musukaga let's go girl night boy squeeze more check it come on zole yankuwe bwebwa zikube bwebwa bwa zikube bwebwa Hello ndieno nsimbudde Hello ebakyali tuterete Hello tuli eno tusimbudde Hello ebyokunywa tuterete empere yeriko kona baba empere yeriko watakotaka empere yeriko omugenze kyamuse butagala ndongo ekirala ekyamututte kwesiba nnyo ku bantu kati twekyange bwebwa mujje eno twesange bwebwa mujje ku fulo twekyange zikube bwebwa mujje eno twesange bwebwa balindiridde Hello Enjoy your life. Stop seeing a bag of cement in every money you make. If the money can't solve that problem, eat that money. Okay?
Mayoyo bana mutu w'omuziki bana obudde bugenda naffe tugenda kukola ate